Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to mark a channel as unread on the WhatsApp app for PC. This is a brand new update, and it's super useful if you want to remind yourself to come back to a message or keep a channel highlighted for later. The process is really simple, so let's go through it step by step. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected so you can see all of your chats and channels. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the list on the left-hand side where all your conversations and channels are displayed. Next, scroll through the list to find the channel you want to mark as unread. This works especially well if you've already opened the channel but want to keep it marked so you don't forget about it later on. Once you've located the channel, hover your mouse over it and then right-click. A menu will appear with several options. From here, select the option that says Mark as Unread. As soon as you click it, WhatsApp will add a green dot to the channel, just like when you have a new message waiting. This will make it stand out in your list and remind you that there's something you need to check or follow up on. It's important to know that marking a channel as unread doesn't delete anything or hide your messages. It's just a quick way to keep a visual reminder without losing track of conversations that matter. You can always go back, click on the channel again, and once you open it, the unread marker will disappear. This feature is perfect if you use WhatsApp on your PC for work, study, or even keeping up with important groups and updates. Instead of letting messages get buried, you'll have a simple way to keep track of what needs your attention. And that's it. Now you know how to mark a channel as unread using the WhatsApp app on your computer. Try it out today and you'll see how much easier it is to stay organized with your messages.